Look around you. It's everywhere. In the vast, rolling oceans, locked within colossal glaciers, drifting as clouds high above, and in the single, perfect drop clinging to a leaf. Water, the most common substance on our planet, and yet, perhaps the most mysterious. We think we know it, but water is full of secrets, paradoxes, and wonders that scientists are still trying to unravel. Join us as we dive deep into the world of H2O, exploring its life-giving power, its planet-shaping force, and the baffling mysteries that lie just beneath the surface. Water is the very essence of existence, the elixir of life itself. From the smallest microbe stirring in a pond to the majestic blue whale navigating the deep, every living thing on Earth depends on it. Life as we know it is a water-based story. So, what makes it so special? Let's zoom in. Water is often called the universal solvent because it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. This allows it to carry vital nutrients and chemicals within our bodies and throughout entire ecosystems. Think of your own blood, carrying oxygen and nourishment to every cell. That's water at work. And then there are its three famous states: solid, liquid, and gas. This ability to transform allows it to travel across the globe, from ocean to cloud to rain. But here's a truly strange and vital property: its density anomaly. Almost every substance becomes denser when it freezes, but not water. When water freezes into ice, it expands and becomes less dense. This is why icebergs float and why lakes freeze from the top down, creating an insulated layer that allows aquatic life to survive the winter. Without this peculiar quirk, life in much of the world would be impossible. It's a simple fact we take for granted, but it's one of water's most profound gifts. Beyond nurturing life, water is a relentless artist, a planetary sculptor that has shaped our world for billions of years. This incredible feat is driven by a process we all learn about in school: the water cycle. But let's look at it with fresh eyes. Imagine the sun's energy lifting trillions of tons of water from the oceans, turning it into vapor. This vapor travels on atmospheric currents, forming clouds that are essentially rivers in the sky. When conditions are right, this water returns to the earth as rain or snow, replenishing the land. But it doesn't just fall, it gets to work. Over eons, the patient, persistent flow of rivers carves through solid rock, creating breathtaking wonders like the Grand Canyon. On a grander scale, ocean waves relentlessly pound against continents, shaping and reshaping our coastlines with every tide. Water is also the engine of our weather, the movement of heat and moisture through the atmosphere, all driven by water's phase changes, creates everything from gentle breezes to ferocious hurricanes. It's a global system of immense power and delicate balance, a testament to water's role as the architect of our planet's landscapes and climates. But the deeper we look into water, the stranger it becomes, presenting us with scientific puzzles that challenge our understanding of the physical world. Consider the MPEMBA effect. Logically, you'd assume cold water freezes faster than hot water. But under certain conditions, the opposite is true. Hot water can counterintuitively freeze first. Named after a Tanzanian student who observed it while making ice cream in the 1960s, this phenomena has baffled scientists for decades. Is it due to dissolved gases, evaporation, or something even more complex about hydrogen bonds? The debate still rages on. Then we enter even more controversial territory: the idea of water memory. This theory suggests that water can retain a memory of substances that were once dissolved in it, even after they'd been diluted to the point of near absence. While this concept is a cornerstone of homeopathy, it's met with intense skepticism from the mainstream scientific community, as it seems to defy the known laws of chemistry. Yet, some intriguing experiments continue to explore this fringe idea, searching for a mechanism that could explain such a phenomenon. And perhaps the greatest mystery of all is water's role in the origin of life. We know life needs water, but could it have been the very crucible where non-living matter first sparked into life? Deep-sea hydrothermal vents, spewing superheated, mineral-rich water are a leading candidate for where this incredible transformation might have occurred. Water isn't just a stage for life. It may have been the primary actor in its creation, from the cells in our bodies to the canyons that scar the earth and the clouds that paint the sky. Water connects everything. It is a substance of profound contradictions, commonplace, yet bizarre, simple in its chemical makeup, yet infinitely complex in its behavior. It gives life, shapes worlds, and holds secrets that we are only just beginning to comprehend. As we face growing challenges in preserving our planet's health, understanding and protecting our water resources has never been more critical. Every river, every lake, every ocean, every drop is a precious part of a system that sustains us all. The next time you take a drink of water, pause for a moment. Consider its incredible journey, its life-giving power, and the deep mysteries it still holds. Let's cherish this extraordinary substance and work together to safeguard it for all the generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more dives into the wonders of our world.